Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, if your phone is stuck on Fastboot and you can't get rid of it, then keep watching this video until the end, because in today's short video I'm going to tell you how you can get rid of Fastboot. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So guys, to get rid of this problem, you just have to press two buttons and you will get rid of this problem. And what are those two buttons? First, volume down button, and second, power button. Yes guys, you have to hold these two buttons for some time and your problem will be solved. Let's check it practically. Press and hold volume down and power button for a while. As soon as the Fastboot disappears from the screen, you have to release both the buttons. After that, press the power button for a while and your phone will turn on. That's it. I hope you all have understood well how to get rid of Fastboot mode. So before going, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.